Sheetrock or drywall cracks can be a sign of foundation issues, and depending on the shape of the crack, the direction of the crack, it can actually tell you as a homeowner what's going on in the house itself. So cracks coming out of, say, the corners of doors, door frames, or window frames that go diagonal towards a corner actually is pointing towards the issue itself. So take a look at the direction the crack is moving and then go to that area of your house around that foundation, because most likely it's probably settled a little bit in that corner that it's pointing to. If a crack is straight up or chasing across a ceiling, that tends to mean that you have water pressure underneath your house and that house is getting lifted at some level, so creating what we call a heave. And so cracks in your sheetrock can be problematic in terms of pointing towards issues in your foundation. What I wouldn't recommend is I wouldn't recommend necessarily repairing the crack without repairing the foundation issue, because most likely through the seasonal changes and the micro changes in your house's structure, because it does move, change in, out, up, and down throughout a season, if you were to repair that crack and not repair the foundation issue itself, it's just going to open back up. So if you're going to repair it on your own, and dress it up, but don't necessarily pay somebody hundreds or even thousands of dollars to repair cracks in your sheetrock or drywall without having the issue, the core piece of the issue, fixed first. And that's what we always recommend at KC Pier, is once we repair the issue, then actually give that wall that's cracked or sheetrock or drywall that's cracked, give it a season to kind of adjust. Because another thing that a lot of people don't realize is after we've come and taken a house that, say, has settled, and all the wood structures and beams in the house have settled in that same direction, so they've bent down and stayed down for years, and then all of a sudden we're going to come in and create something that's more corrected in a level, that wood and those structures have memory. They're going to want to go back to that settled direction, and that potentially, if you were to fix that crack right away, it would open back up just from the refraction and reflection of the crack after the repair itself. So give it a season to adjust, then come back and actually make those crack repairs, and then you can ensure yourself that most likely that repair is not going to come back again, and everything will be fixed for a lifetime.